Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ujjwal Marjit. Have you ever spent hours or even days writing a thesis or research paper only to feel unsure if it is actually good enough? No clear feedback and no guidance on your argument. Just a bunch of red marks after submission. I have been there. And honestly, it is frustrating. But what if there was a tool that could read your draft, give you detailed feedback and point out weakness and even suggest relevant academic sources that are very much reliable and all within minutes. So that is exactly what Thesify does, and in this video I will show you how to use it to take your academic writing from average to outstanding. So let's dive in. So first of all, you just head over to Thesify AI here and sign up for a free account and click on get started for free, and it's a perfect for your academic writing and you can submit with confidence. Besides, you can get instant expert level feedback on your draft or thesis or dissertations and research papers, so you meet the highest academic standards. So now you head over to Thesify.ai as you have already logged in and click on get started for free. Once you click on get started for free, you will be taken to this page. So pre-submission assessment. Pre-submission assessment means you upload your thesis, manuscript or grant proposals, whatever you have, and let Theo give you insightful feedback related and relevant resources and assured quality. So once you upload your draft document, Thesify will ask you quick questions like what type of documents are you uploading, what is the academic field, and then it gets to work analyzing your writing. So click here to upload or drag and drop PDF or Word file, that is maximum up to 10 MB. So now click on here. Once you click, just I am going to select one of my research paper here and just open it. This may take a minute or two depending on the length of your document, as you can upload up to 10 MB. Okay, so once you upload your document, this pop-up menu will appear in front of you and details about the document. So you just please provide this tool some information about file you uploaded. The first one is, are you the author? Yes, I am the author. And select type of document, means whether the document is scientific paper, thesis or essay, grant proposals or others report. So you just click on scientific paper, then now click next. Okay, and again tell about your scientific paper. So state of the document. Okay, so it is submitted, and field of study, and definitely the field of study you have to select from the drop down menu, and as I have submitted one of my papers that is from computer science background, so I am going to select the computer science here. Okay, so why it is important? So adding more details and context about your writing tasks allows this tool to provide more tailored advice and offer reliable, relevant feedback and suggestions, and give more accurate and constructive feedback across all rubrics. Okay, so once you give the document, so it will ask few questions, and I have already submitted. Now click on next here. Okay, so once the feedback is ready, it appears in the right hand column. It is like having an academic reviewer by your side. Okay, you see here the right hand side, and here the document body, and this is my paper, that is the scientific paper you see. And now you can get these features: feedback, digest, opportunities, resources. So click on resources in the top right corner to access a list of recommended papers and books that are relevant to your topic. That is a powerful targeted support, and all in one place. This is the, if you see the right hand side. So first of all, I am going to select the feedback. As I have already mentioned, then you know how hard it is to get the thoughtful feedback, especially when you need it the most. So that is why this AI assistant tool that can evaluate your academic writing, point out areas for improvement, and even suggest reliable, relevant resources for you. And that is exactly this tool does. Okay, so suggested topics, you click here. I just click here. How does the Ethereum blockchain provide a decentralized and distributed solution to improve OER? As you see, towards a decentralized and distributed framework for open educational resources based on IPFS and blockchain, the title of my paper. And you see the suggested topics, they have already given the suggested topics. And not only that, besides you can the purpose, you see the purpose, okay? And the thesis statement from here, just okay, and the digest part, click. So find the deep digest below regarding the paper, means summary. You will get the summary here of this paper, because this document presents a framework aimed at addressing the challenge faced by the traditional OER. So that is the main topic or main theme of the paper, and you see from the summary. And keywords, you can also get the keywords from here, and main claims, conclusions, and main methods. Okay, and now what about the opportunities? You click on the opportunities. So here are some research directions you might consider exploring. So what are the potential benefits of implementing a decentralized and distributed framework using Ethereum blockchain here, using the IPFS, as you see. And now just click on resources. As I already mentioned, the resources basically give you some reliable and recommended papers and books that are very much relevant to your topic. So you just click on the resources, and you see this is the article. Search by, you can also search by title, authors, or keywords. So here this is the publication, and you can also click on the journals. They will give you the information, not only that, the matching and impact factor also, H index, and how many times the paper has been cited, and the grants. So search by title and keywords, and loading grant match details. And you can see also conferences. Conferences means the match 95%, country, and first deadline. So you will get the informations using this tool. And now see the collect, means favorites and citations here. And just click here. This is your paper. And now I am going to select the document body here. You just see, and you can edit. Okay. So type of chapter or section, you just select here. From here, I would like to change the introduction part, and name is document body, and update chapter. You click on update chapter. The chapter was successfully updated. Okay. Not only that, you can also share it to your team members and your team members will be able to see your project and feedback from Thesify. You just write your email ID and send invite. Okay. Now I am going to cancel it. So Thesify tool, it's a very powerful tool. Whether you are writing a research paper, essay or dissertations, this tool can help you write better, faster and master. Okay, so try it today at Thesify.ai as already informed you, and start improving your academic writing with AI powered insights. So, and if you find this helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you never miss a new tool that could change your research journey. Thank you for watching.